Homeowners insurance can feel awfully complicated in terms of what it covers and what it doesn't cover. In this video, we're going to talk about all the things that insurance will cover, and we'll cover the stuff that it does not cover. A standard homeowners insurance policy has 6 different coverages that are indicated by the letters of the alphabet from A to F. Coverage A is for the dwelling. If something were to happen, the insurance policy would cover repair or rebuild. You don't get a check for the value of the property, just what it would take to rebuild the structure. Coverage B covers other structures on the property, like sheds, fences, pools, and that Lord of the Rings themed gazebo that you just had to have. Coverage C covers the possessions you lost in the event, like your laptop, furniture, TV, and clothes. All the stuff. There are 2 ways you could be reimbursed for the lost property: replacement cost and cash value. Replacement cost is better because it means that the insurance company will give you the money to replace that laptop. Cash value would just reimburse you for what that 5-year-old laptop is worth today. Coverage D covers additional living expenses. If you have a house fire, you can't live there while the house is being rebuilt. So this insurance gives you living expenses so that you can rent another place. It can be financially devastating to have to pay your mortgage and rent an apartment while your home is being rebuilt. Coverage E covers personal liability. This covers losses that other people experience on your property or because of your neglect. Your personal liability coverage protects you if your dog bites someone. Maybe a tree on your property falls and damages your neighbor's roof. Maybe your spiteful uncle comes over for Thanksgiving dinner and trips over your rug, breaking his arm. He sues you for psychological damage. He'll never be able to look at another Persian rug again without trauma. Finally, coverage F covers medical expenses for accidents that happen on your property. This would be to cover your uncle's ER visit. It could also cover a delivery person's medical care if they slipped on some ice in your walkway. What this doesn't cover is your own injuries. That would be covered by your health insurance. There is also something called umbrella coverage, which gives you extra liability protection. Umbrella coverage typically kicks in when the liability limits on your primary policy are exhausted. It can be especially important to people with substantial assets that need to be protected. All of this sounds pretty comprehensive, but there are things that the homeowner's insurance does not cover. Some of the risks that are usually excluded from homeowners policies include flood damage resulting from heavy rain, storm surges, or rising water levels, earthquake and ground movement damage caused by sinkholes and landslides, normal wear and tear such as general deterioration like an aging roof, plumbing corrosion, or settling foundations. Similarly, neglect and poor maintenance is not covered. This might include mold growth, termite infestations, or water damage from unrepaired leaks. It probably doesn't surprise you to learn that you are not covered for intentional damage that you or a household member causes to the property. Most policies will also not cover government actions like confiscation, demolition, or property seizure, or acts of war. They also won't cover business-related losses that arise from a home-based business. You would likely need a business rider or get a business insurance policy to cover that. Certain types of water damage like sewer backups and sump pump overflows are also excluded as well. Finally, luxury or high-value items like jewelry, fine art, or collectibles usually need to have a specific rider to be included. There are even some other exclusions that could pop up. So you need to check your insurance policy's fine print to determine if you need coverage for anything that would be excluded. When it comes to figuring out how much coverage you should have, I have a cheat code for you. The best thing you can do is get an independent insurance agent. An independent agent is someone who does not work for a specific insurance brand. That's important because it means they can shop you around to several different carriers and get you the best deal. They also don't care if you go with company A or company B, so they can talk you through your needs, answer your questions, and advise you on what would be best in your situation. When you work with an independent insurance agent, you don't sign a contract. That means you're never under any obligation. If they can't help you, don't use them. If you want to look for an independent insurance agent in your area, you can go to the Yukon Project. Sign up at our insurance agent search, and we will have a partner contact you. They have relationships with almost 200 insurance carriers in the country, so they can find the perfect match for your situation. Signing up will only take a couple of minutes. You will get personalized service, so it's a great way to gain confidence that you're getting the coverage that you need at the lowest possible price. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get the question answered for you. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.